Meaning of efficiency apartment.
Efficiency apartment.
Efficiency apartment.
Efficiency apartment.
Efficiency apartment. An efficiency apartment, also known as a studio apartment, is a type of living space typically found in urban areas. It is a small, self-contained unit that combines the living, sleeping, and cooking areas into a single room or open layout. The purpose of an efficiency apartment is to provide affordable housing for individuals or couples who require minimal space and are willing to sacrifice privacy for lower rent. Due to their smaller size, efficiency apartments are also easier to maintain and can be energy efficient.